Question: what if a giant black hole appeared near our solar system? What's the scariest thing you can imagine just showing up in our sky one day? A fleet of alien ships? A second, slightly angrier moon? How about a perfect circle of nothingness? A void that gets darker the longer you stare at it. Today, we're asking, what if a giant black hole appeared near our solar system? First, we need to define near and giant. In space terms, near means not touching. Let's say it pops into existence about as far from us as Neptune is from the Sun. That's still over 2 billion miles away. And for giant, let's talk a supermassive black hole like the one at the center of our galaxy, a behemoth with the mass of 4 million suns. So, what happens first? Well, we'd see it before we felt it. And by see it, I mean we'd see its effect on everything else. Black holes themselves are invisible, but the area around one, called the accretion disk, is a swirling, blindingly bright vortex of superheated gas and dust being torn apart. It would be the brightest object in our night sky, a terrifyingly beautiful cosmic whirlpool, but the real showstopper would be gravitational lensing. The black hole's immense gravity would bend the light from the stars behind it, warping the fabric of the night sky like a funhouse mirror. Constellations would stretch and smear into dazzling, impossible arcs of light. It would be the most breathtaking light show in human history. For a little while, because then we'd start to feel it. Gravity, remember, a black hole with 4 million solar masses has a lot of it. Its gravitational pull would yank on the outer planets, sending them into chaotic new orbits. Neptune and Uranus might get flung out of the solar system entirely, like marbles off a table. The real problem, though, is us. Earth's orbit would be seriously perturbed. The gentle, stable ellipse we've enjoyed for billions of years would get stretched. We might get pulled into a new, highly elliptical path. Picture this. A year is no longer 365 days. For part of it, we are in a deep freeze, far from the Sun. For the other part, we're scorching hot, baking as we swing in clothes. Seasons would become utterly extreme and unpredictable. Agriculture, forget it. Civilization as we know it would be a frantic struggle for survival against a literally shifting sky. But wait, it gets worse. All that stuff swirling in the accretion disk, it's moving at nearly the speed of light, and that creates an unimaginable amount of radiation, X-rays and gamma rays. This death beam would be pointed right at us as the black hole rotates. It would strip away our protective ozone layer in a matter of days and start sterilizing the surface of the planet. The beautiful light show in the sky would literally be killing us. So, the big reveal? A nearby giant black hole isn't a predator that would swallow us whole in an instant. It's a cosmic bully. It wouldn't eat the solar system, it would wreck it. It would tear our planetary family apart, knock our world into a chaotic tumble, and then fry us with a torrent of radiation. We wouldn't be sucked in, we'd be evicted, frozen, baked, and irradiated. The wrap-up? It's a good thing the nearest black hole is thousands of light years away. Our cosmic neighborhood is relatively quiet, and that's not boring. That's the reason we are here, to find it boring. It's the ultimate privilege. So, what cosmic catastrophe should we ponder next? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this trip into gravitational chaos, do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more what ifs.